A motivational story from the life of Mahatma Buddha teaches us that our thoughts shape our life's direction and circumstances. This story is one of the pivotal events in Buddha's life that illustrates how we become what we think. Buddha, originally named Siddhartha Gautam, was born into a royal family. His life was filled with luxury and prosperity, yet he always felt a deep curiosity to know something greater. He was troubled by the fundamental questions of life and sought their answers earnestly. One day, while riding his chariot outside his palace, Siddhartha encountered four sights that transformed his life completely. He saw an old man, a sick person, a dead body, and a monk. These four sights deeply affected him and plunged him into deep thought. He realized that life is uncertain and filled with suffering. Siddhartha renounced his royal life and set out on a quest for truth. He practiced severe austerities, learned from various teachers, and eventually sat in meditation under the Bodhi tree in Bodh Gaya. There, he vowed not to rise until he attained enlightenment. After many days of continuous meditation, he finally attained enlightenment and became Mahatma Buddha. After his enlightenment, Mahatma Buddha taught that we become what we think. He explained that our thoughts shape our reality. If we keep our thoughts positive and constructive, our life will also move in a positive direction. However, if we dwell in negative and destructive thoughts, our life will follow the same path. Mahatma Buddha also taught that a person's mind is like a garden. If you sow seeds of good thoughts, your life will bloom with happiness, peace, and contentment. But if you allow bad thoughts to grow, they will fill your mind with misery and suffering. The essence of the story is that our thoughts hold incredible power. They lead us in the direction we guide them. Therefore, we must carefully choose our thoughts. Buddha taught that a calm and controlled mind can lead us to inner peace and wisdom.